Beautifying my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you my potential inside. Good evening, children. A big good evening to all of you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. UNSI, good evening, UNSI. Kumar Guruparan, good evening. Izan, good evening, Izan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, and who else has joined? Anybody new? Joined. That's it. Okay. Okay, we're going to start our warm-up activity. Before that, I want to tell you, children. See, Monday I have sent you the dictation words, I words, right? So please practice this. Monday we have dictation. Only if we start studying all the CVC words, small 3-letter word, it will be easy for us going forth. Okay, so please try reading it, children. So today is Thursday, no? Daily 2 words or 3 words you read. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4 days you have. Okay, evening, read 3 words. Okay, will you all read? I see many of you haven't read. You have to read, children. Okay? Yes. Very good. Thank you, Varnika. Shravan. Shravan is the only one I'm seeing. Every time he'll respond saying thumbs up. What about others? Sleeping? Still not out of sleep? Okay, son. Yes, Nikita. Okay, come on, children. We'll do the warm-up activities. Please stand up. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop, Satvik. Run, 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 like a tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, stomp. Gautam Rishi, come on, Gautam. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, Nibin Surya, jump. Jump like a kangaroo. Arjun, jump. Kavin, what about you, Kavin? Please stand up. Jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap like a crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, like an eagle. Good, Kaushik. Fly, like an eagle. Very good, Yuvansai. Stop, exam, stop.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop.
Very good, children. Please come to your place. Children, I see many of you are not dancing. Little lazy, huh? After lunch, little lazy, drowsy sitting. Okay. Warm up time. I don't want you to be anyone to sit like that. Okay. Make some short place. We're not going to run around. Small place is enough. So fit in that small place, and I want everybody to do warm up activity. Okay. No sitting, no talking and chit chatting. That is not a free time. Okay. Okay. And by the way, it's our friend Satvik's birthday tomorrow. So we are all going to wish Satvik for his birthday in advance, okay?
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Raj.
Happy birthday, Satvik. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you so much, children. On behalf of all of you, Satvik, wish you many, many more happy returns of the day. God bless you. Clap for Satvik, everyone. Okay. Yes, I see Roshan has joined. Good evening, Roshan.
Good evening,
Good evening, Ryan. Okay, Ryan, good evening. Jai Krish, good evening. Good evening, Jai Krish.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so tomorrow, remember the talk time, children? Dayanand and Arjun, right? Tomorrow is the talk time, okay? So today we'll start now. I'm going to call the name, quickly we'll mark the attendance, and you're going to show only one. I want you to show only one transport, not many things. I don't want you to pile up things because everybody should get a chance, and we're going to do some activity or worksheets also. So we need some time. I just want you to get ready with only one toy, any one vehicle, any one, be it a car or bus, whatever you have. If you don't have, no problem. Even I'm not having anything, okay? If you have, you just show me that. Tell me what it is. It is a water transport or land transport or air transport. That's it. Understood, children? That's what we're going to do now, quickly. Okay, get ready. Meanwhile, I'll mark the attendance now. Adya, Araf, absent. Okay. Akshat, absent. Okay. Arjun, Dayanand, Gautam S, Gautam Rishi, Ritvik, Jaykrish,
Here I am, ma'am.
Kaushik,
I'm not attendance, ma'am. I'm not attendance, ma'am.
It's okay, Grithwit.
Here I am, ma'am.
That's okay, Grithwit. Okay. I got your name.
Kaushik.
Kaushik.
Here I am, ma'am.
Guruparan.
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
Rakshita ji.
Here I am, ma'am. Here
Lakshraj.
I am, ma'am.
Isha. Lekshita. Satvik. Nikita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Nivin Surya.
Here I am, ma'am.
Roshan. Mahaswin.
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
இவனை கூப்பிடல.
Sai Charan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Nizam.
Here I am, ma'am.
Shiva.
Here I am, ma'am.
Shravan.
Here I
Varnika.
am, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
You and Sai.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. So quickly we'll go. I'm going to go by this order in my list here. Okay. I'm going to start with Mahaswin. Okay. You're just going to tell me that vehicle or transport, whatever you have, just name it and tell me water transport or land transport. Quickly. Yes, Mahaswin.
Water transport.
Name చెప్పు.
Show me. Lift it up and show me. Lift it up and show me. What is that?
ఏంటిది చెప్పు.
Boat.
Yes. Very good. Boat, water transport. Quite good. Good, Mahaswin. I want the same way.
ఓకే అన్నారు.
Good, Mahaswin. Very good.
చెప్పు.
Truck.
ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్.
Load.
లోడ్ ఆర్ ల్యాండ్.
Land transport.
Land transport. Only one, dear. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Mahaswin. Yes, Jai Krish. Can you unmute Jai Krish and show me?
Land transport.
Show me. What is that?
Car.
Car. Good. Very nice car. Gautam Rishi.
What transport is this?
Boat.
Okay, what type of transport?
Boat.
What? Land, water, air. What transport?
Is it a land transport, water transport, or air transport?
Water transport.
Water transport. Very nice. You made it, Gautam Rishi.
So this like
And the car.
this is the aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
So
Inside
aeroplane is the air transport or water transport?
air transport. And the car.
Car. What is car?
So car is a land transport or water transport? Car is a
Road transport.
road transport.
Road transport or land transport. Okay. Thank you, Gautam. Next, Sai Charan.
Ma'am, I got the customer. Yes, ma'am. Car.
Kaushi. Water or land or air?
Land transport.
Okay, land transport. What happened? Kaushik, what do you want, Kaushik?
Ma'am, I'm dressed too.
Okay, go and come, Kaushik. No problem. You don't have to ask me. Okay. Shravan.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. What transport?
Air transport.
Air transport. Very good, Shravan. Satvik.
Rail transport.
Yeah, I know you bring this. Yes.
Rail transport.
Rail transport. Good. Okay, it goes fast.
Ma'am, Divin Surya.
What, Nivin Surya?
I got passport.
You will get a chance, Nivin Surya. You will have to wait for your chance. I'm coming line by line. Okay. Yes. Next, Lekshita.
Ma'am.
Tell me, Lekshita. Transport. Lorry. What transport?
It's
Land or water or air?
லேண்டில் போனால் வாட்டரில் போனால் ஏரில் போனால்
land.
Land. Very good. Kumara Guruparan. Good, Lekshita. Kumara Guruparan.
Helicopter.
Show me. What is it? Water, land or air?
Air.
Louder one more time.
Air.
Very good. Super. Yes. Ryan. Show me. What have you got?
I got land transport. Land. This is the car.
Okay. Car, land transport. Okay. Good. I saw that. Nikita. Nikita. Okay. Nivin Surya. Show me Nivin Surya.
This is passport. Fart.
Show me boat.
Passport. Fart. It's water.
Water transport. Okay. Lakshraj.
This is land transport. This is to land transport. This is air transport.
Okay. Thank you, Lakshraj.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shiva.
Sir, this is truck transport. Land transport. This is water transport.
Nice. The ship you made. Okay. Nice. Very nice.
This is air transport.
Very nice, Shiva. Thank you. Lakshraj. I'm sorry. Varnika.
This is air transport.
What is that, Varnika? I'm not able to see.
Air transport.
Air transport. Okay. What is that name? Name of it?
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Okay. Gratvik. Thank you, Varnika.
Land transport car.
Very good. Nice car.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Kavin. Where are you? Under the chair, Kavin? Taking something? Show me.
This is train. This is the land transport.
Okay, rail transport. Yes. Thank you, Kavin. Izan.
Loader, ma'am. This is a loader.
Loader. Nice. Yes, loader. What transport? Air transport?
No,
Water
ma'am.
transport?
No, ma'am.
Land transport?
Yes.
Don't look at your mom. Yes, land transport. Loader. Can you show the loader to all our friends? Yes, loader. Very good. Thank you. Yuvan Sai.
देखिए
Yes, ma'am.
Show me Yuvan Sai.
This is jeep.
Jeep. What transport? Nice Jeep. Cute one.
Road transport.
Road transport or land transport. Good, Yuvan Sai. Very nice. You have combed your hair nicely today. Looking very smart.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Adya. Show me what have you got.
Car.
Car. What transport?
This is the land transport.
Okay, land transport.
The road.
It goes in the road.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
Archana. Thank you. Dayanand? Dayanand? Show me.
Bike.
Nice. Bike.
Bike.
What transport?
Land transport.
Land transport. Perfect.
Land transport.
Yes.
Aeroplane.
Hmm.
Sky transport. Air transport.
Okay, air transport. Thank you, Dayanand. That's it. Roshan. Wow, nice, Roshan. What's that you've got to show us? Ship. Okay, looks like a steamer. Nice. Very good. What is ship? Water, land, air. What transport?
Water.
Yes, water transport. Nice. Very nice, Roshan. Next, Kaushik. Show me.
Helicopter. Air transport. Train. Land transport.
Thank you, Kaushik. Arjun,
Thank you, ma'am.
you're going to bring a police car? Arjun,
Water.
tow truck. What is it? Water, land, air. Land transport. Very good. Children, give a big enough clap. Very good. All 25 of you listened, Radha ma'am, and you got a transport and showed me. And moreover, you all did very, very quickly. Very good. Thank you so much, children. Thank you so much for the help. Okay. So we have.
Ma'am.
Yes, Lekshita, Nikita, show me.
Helicopter.
What's that? Land. What is it? Land, air, or water transport? Okay, I will teach you. You were absent, no? See, helicopters will go in the land, or it will go in the water, or it will go in the sky. Where it will go?
Land.
It will go in. First, it will go on the land. Then what it will do? It will go and fly in the sky, isn't it? It will go and fly in the sky, no? Air transport. Air transport. Good, Nikita. Very nice. Beautiful. Everybody showed me. Anybody? Thank you, Nikita. Air transport. Okay. So we'll just recall what we learned yesterday and we'll go on to the next one. Okay. Yesterday we learned about water transport. Yes. Can anybody say me what is the water transport we learned yesterday? Let me ask Varnika. Can you name me one water transport we learned yesterday? Varnika.
Fast
Water transport.
Fast boat.
Can you repeat?
Speed.
Okay, speedboat. Speedboat. Okay, very good. Speedboat. Ryan, one water transport, Ryan.
Cargo ship. Boat.
Cargo ship.
Cargo ship
Boat.
and boat and a ship.
Very good. Thank you, Ryan. Okay, a kind request, children. You all showed me your transport toys. So I want all of you to keep your toys aside. No more toys now. Keep the toys aside. Kaushik, Kumara Guruparan, Shiva, Laksharaj, keep your toys aside. Nikita, can you please keep the toy aside? You can play it later after the class is over. We're going to finish it soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Please keep it aside.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Very good. Okay. So we learned water transport. We saw boat, raft, speedboat, cargo ship, steamer. Then what did we see? That's it, right? Okay. That's all we saw. Today we are going to learn, okay, about the ships. Okay. So I'll just open the sheet to show you. Give me a minute. Okay. Before I show you. Submarine. Yes, thank you, Ryan, for reminding me. Yes, submarine we learned. Okay, let me ask you one thing. When you ride a cycle, what is the difference between riding a cycle and riding a bike? What is the difference between riding a cycle and riding a bike? Anybody knows that?
Cycle we pedal, bike we drive, ma'am.
Yes. I heard many answers. Thank you for responding. I'll just ask one by one. Okay. First, I saw Izan was answering. Niveen Surya, please, a kind request, Niveen Surya. Izan, can you tell me what is the difference between cycle and a bike, Izan?
Pedals, ma'am. You have pedals.
Yeah, you have pedals. Thank you. I heard Kavin. Kavin, you told me. You are the one who told me, right? In cycle, you will pedal it. Bike, it will run. Yes. Niveen Surya, tell me now.
Pedal boat.
Pedal boat. No, we are not talking about that. Okay, you're reminding me about pedal boat. Thank you, Niveen Surya. Satvik, tell me. You want to say something?
Cargo ship.
Cargo ship. Okay, we moved out of the topic, dear. We talked about boats and we moved out to different topic now. Okay, Adya, can you tell me difference between cycle and bike? If you know, you can tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shiva.
Pedal by leg. Bike. Bike will start.
Okay. Thank you, Adya. Shiva.
Bike will start. Cycle will cycle
Pedal.
petrol. Cycle pedal.
Okay. Good, Shiva. Yes, Saicham, you were raising your hand for a long time. Tell me.
Cycle with pedal and bike has not pedal.
Okay. Yes. Half of the answer is right from every one of you. I'll just rephrase what you said. Yes. Cycle we pedal. We have to pedal. Only if we pedal with our legs, the cycle will move. Okay. But for bike, the scooter or whatever bike, it runs by engine. You have to put petrol for it and you have to press the button or you have to kick start it, right? But it will go by itself with the use of petrol or diesel. But for cycle, only if you pedal it, it will move, or else it will not move. So cycle moves by manpower. That means we. Only if we pedal, cycle will move, or else cycle will stand in the same place, right? Bike, when you start the bike, should you have to pedal or kick the bike for a long time? No. You have to just start the bike will keep on going, right? So we are going to see two differences. One, the vehicles which we have to pedal it. Two, the vehicles which go by itself. And three, there are few things which goes by wind, air. See, you see a paper. I just put this paper up. What will do? Because of the fan, air, it will just keep on flying for some time and then it will fall down. Correct? So we are going to see three things of the boats which moves because of wind, because of manpower, because of engine. Okay, yesterday we saw boat, no? I'm just going to show you pictures. You'll understand better. Give me a minute. Okay, so hope you are seeing my screen now. The first one. Are you able to see my screen? Just show me thumbs up, children, so that I'll understand. Able to see my screen? Yes, thank you, Kevin. Yes, the first one is sailboat. This boat, no, you don't have to do anything. Okay, there is no engine there. You just sit on the boat. The boat will move by itself with the wind. Wherever the wind goes, the boat will keep on moving. Okay, so this boat moves by wind. Next one, steamer. This ship moves by engine. This ship moves by engine. It has engine inside, like bike. Okay. This one, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. That rowboat. You have to, there's a stick there, no? You have to keep on rowing, like cycle. You have to keep on rowing, only then the boat will move. And this one, I told you, no, pedal boat. Like cycle, you have to keep on pedaling. Only then this boat will move. So these two boats moves by manpower. Manpower means with the help of us. With the help of us, if the boat moves, then it is manpower. Okay. This yacht, this also runs by engine. So steamer and yacht runs by engine. And this sailboat moves by wind. Okay, so this worksheet, please take this worksheet. If you have crayons, please take green, red and blue crayon or sketch pen, color pencil, whatever you have. Please get this worksheet ready. It's day 94 CT worksheet. Day 94 CT worksheet. Please put today's date. Write your name in the worksheet. Yes, the same one. Thank you, Shiva. Please get red, green and blue crayon, pencil or whatever you have. Okay. If not, you can do it with pencil now. You can color it later. Okay, Kavin, please take your worksheet. I see Izan is getting ready. Shiva is also ready. Yes. Arjun, ready? Wrote your name in the worksheet.
Page number.
Page number 94 CT worksheet. 94 CT worksheet. Varnika, ready? Wrote your name? Okay, Varnika. Very good. Jayakrish ready? Satvik ready? Okay, Satvik. Kumaragurban ready? Thank you, Adya. Okay. So what we are going to do is, whatever is boat runs by human power, manpower or human power, we are going to circle it with green. So sailboat, no, it moves by wind. Steamer, it moves by engine. Rowboat, yes, it moves by human power. So take the green color, circle here. Circle the rowboat. It runs, it works or it moves by manpower, human power. Pedal boat, yes, pedal boat, we have to pedal it. Only then it will move, it will work. So circle the pedal boat in green color. Next, steamer and yacht, both runs by engine power. Engine power. So circle it with red color. Circle it with red color. Engine power, circle it with red color. The last one which runs by wind. See, there is nobody sitting here. You don't need anything for this to move. Just wind is enough. So circle it with blue color. Sailboat. 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 Circle it with blue color. We have finished. Show me thumbs up. Thank you, Lakshraj.
I am
Nivin Surya. Good. Good, Adya. Okay, Nivin Surya. Good, Adya. Good, Lekshita. Okay, Lekshita. Good, Varnika. Good, Rayan. Good, Izan. Good, Shiva. Kavin, Kaushik. Yuvan Sai. Dayanand, finished?
finished.
Okay. Shravan, finished? Okay, Shravan. Good. Okay, so quickly we are going to do the next one, children. Let me know if anybody is still writing. I'm going to move to the next one. Everybody finished, right? Okay. Okay, so next we are going to do addition. Remember addition? How do we do addition? How do we do addition? You will have a number here. And then if you have not finished, let me know, children. I'm moving to the next topic. I'll stop for you. If not, I'm going to move. Ritik, finished? If everybody has finished, those who have finished, please keep your worksheet down, pencils, color pencils down. We are going to revise addition now. Lakshya just started doing it. Okay. So we are going to do addition. 2 plus 3. So what we do? We look for which number is bigger. Which number is bigger? 3. So keep 3 in the mind. Roshan, sit properly. 3 in the mind. 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. Equal to, the answer is 5. We will write in this box. We'll do one more thing and we'll do the worksheet. Okay. 4 plus 3. No. 4. Let it be 4. So both the number are same. Both the number are same. So keep 4 in the mind. 4 in the mind. 4 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have tried 8 in this box. Okay, so that's the one we are going to do. So please take the worksheet. Day 94, empty worksheet, children. Kaushik is going to help me for the first one. Please write your name, put today's date, 1911. 1911, 20. Kaushik, can you help me with the first one? 6 plus 2.
2 fingers.
6 in the mind, 2 in the finger.
8.
Yes. Count one more time and tell me. 6 in the mind.
6 the mind, 2 fingers.
Mm.
After 6,
Mm.
8.
How 8? After 6, 7, 8. You have to tell me like that.
After 6, 7, 8.
7, 8.
Okay. So I'm going to write 8 in this box. Next, Lakshya is going to help me for the next one. If you have finished, very good, children. Please check if I'm writing it right. Lakshya, help me with the second one. 2 plus 3.
2 in the mind. 2 in the finger.
Very good.
3,
Mm.
4, 5.
Very good. 5. Arjun, 7 plus 1.
7, 9, 1.
Hmm.
After 7, 8.
Very good, Arjun. Next, Mahaswin. Yeah, 4.
4, 9, 10 fingers. 2 upstairs.
No, 4 in
2 upstairs.
because
4. Mahaswin, listen. Mahaswin, listen. 4 in the mind.
6.
4 in the mind. Yeah, okay, one more time. Do and show me 4 in the mind.
9, 2 fingers. 4 upstairs. 6. 5.
How?
6.
What is there on your left hand side? What is there on the left hand side? Keep it properly. Keep your worksheet properly, friend, so that it will be easy for you to write, no? Okay, nice, Mahaswin. 4 after 5, 6. Good, Mahaswin. Gautam Rishi.
Ma'am is asking 4 plus 3. Right? Say, explain. See 4 plus 3. What in the mind?
4 in the mind.
Come on, say, ma'am. உங்களை தான் கேக்குறேன்.
4 in the mind.
Hmm.
3 in the fingers.
Louder, loud and clear.
Louder.
Properly. After 4.
After 4,
Come on.
5, 6, 7.
7.
Rest.
Okay. Thank you, Gautam. Yuvan sir.
Yes, ma'am.
2 plus 2. 2 in the mind.
2 in my head. So, 2,
Hmm.
3, 4. The
Very good.
number is
Good, Yuvan sir. Very nice. Shravan.
Yes, I know.
5 in the mind, 1 in a finger. After 5,
What is after 5?
6,
6. Okay. Roshan.
yes, ma'am.
8 in the mind.
9, ma'am.
9. 8 in the mind. 1 in the finger after 8. 9. Good. Very good. Are you all writing with me? Kaushik, finished writing?
Ma'am, I have finished.
Finished writing, Kaushik?
I finished.
I finished, ma'am.
Okay, Kaushik, can you tell me what is sound of CH, Kaushik? CH.
CH sound.
Cha.
Cha. What is sound of SH?
She.
It's not she. Very good. Thank you. Okay, Nivin Surya. Thank you, Lakshraj. What is sound of TH? TH, Kaushik.
CH sound.
TH. Ta.
The. TH. TH. The.
TH. What is sound of TH?
TH.
Ta.
Ta. Very good. Okay. Adya, what is sound of CH?
Cha. Cha.
What
Cha.
is sound of SH? Okay. What is sound of NG? NG.
Ginga.
Very good. So we're going to do the worksheet on that. Okay. So please take the worksheet day 94 PH. Those who don't have, just go back I think under 99 or 98, you have the same worksheet there for you. If you don't have under 94 date, please check in 99, 98, 100, those days. You have this worksheet.
97, ma'am.
Okay, 97 then. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, under 97.
Which page number is it?
That's what I'm telling you. Listen, Saicharan. This page is under 94. Okay. If you don't have it under day 94, go to day 97. You have the same worksheet there. Write your name, put today's date. Lekshita, if you don't have under 94, go for 97. 9797. Before we start, I'll just recall this what we learned earlier. CH, ch, chair, bench, ch sound. SH, sh, shell, shoulder, shoe, shout. All those starts with SH. Thumb, 30, thirsty. All those sounds is TH. Last one, NG, ring, king. All those ing sound is NG. Okay, so we are going to do this worksheet based on that. Did you all find the worksheet? Lekshita, did you find the worksheet, Lekshita? You feel lost? No. Check in 97, 94. 94, 94 or 97, 97. Yes. Name the pictures and fill in the blanks. Are you able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Name the pictures and fill in the blanks. So first one is tooth. Tooth. So what should we write? Let me ask somebody. Wait. Arjun. Sound. What should we write, Arjun? Should we write CH, SH, TH or NG? Sound.
TH.
Very good. TH. So write T and H. Tooth. Written, everyone. Found the worksheet. If anybody is still lost, not taken it, let me know. Everybody wrote TH? Okay, next one. Kaushik. What is this, Kaushik? Sheep. Sheep. Sh sound. So what should you write? TH or SH? Sh sound. Yes, H. Very good. Very good. Yes, H. Yes. H. Sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep. Sh. That sound SH. Good. Roshan. What's the next one? I cannot hear you. Your voice is breaking, dear. Cheese. Ch sound. So what should you write?
What should we write?
Ch. CH or SH? CH. Cheese. CH. Yes, I got it. C. H. Cheese. Next, Dayanand. King. Ing sound. So what should we write? CH, SH, TH, NG. What should we write? King. Ing. N and G. NG. King. King. Yes. Adya. The girl is what? Yeah, the girl is singing. Ing. So what should I write?
NG.
NG. Good. Sing. Ing. NG. Yuan Sai. What is his finger? What is his finger, Yuan Sai?
Yes, ma'am.
What is his finger?
Thumb.
Thumb. Ta. So what should I write here? Ta.
Ta.
Ta. TH or SH?
T.
TH. Ta. Thumb. TH.
Ta.
Izan. Peach fruit. Very good. Peach fruit. Peach. Ch. So what should I write? Peach. Ch.
पढ़ो
TH or SH? Ah. Ah. Very good. CH. I have to write CH. Correct. Thank you, Izan. Correct. Next is on Kavin. What is this, Kavin?
fish
What should I write? Ish means what should I write? CH or SH? SH.
no
SH. When you children, if you listen, if you hear shh sound, you have to write SH. Okay. Next, Grithvik. Cherry. Ch sound. CH.
SH
Oh dear. SH sh sound. Ch sound is CH. Ch.
sound.
yeah
Current వస్తుంది.
CH
Yeah, Grithvik, listen to me once. Listen to me. Grithvik, look at me. When you hear ch sound, cherry, chair, bench, beach, peach, all those ch, no? That time you have to write CH. Okay? When you hear sh, shoe, sh, shoulder, sh, shout, all those sound, then you have to write SH. Okay? Here it is cherry. So you should write CH. Understood, Grithvik? CH. Okay. CH. Okay, after Grithvik, Varnika. What is this, Varnika? You have it in ring. Ing means
NG
very good. NG. Ing. Next, Shiva.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Seashell.
Actually, yeah, they changed it. Actually, they should have given dash dash E L L. What is this? What is this?
Alien.
You see it in beach, no?
Seashell.
Huh?
Seashell.
Kilinjal, you'll say in Tamil. Yeah, seashell, you'll say it in English. So here you will say it as shell. Okay. Here they have missed, so we'll write shell. Sh sound, SH.
Yes. Headset irundhudaama inga?
SH. Next, Nivin Surya. What is the boy doing, Nivin Surya?
Bird.
Bath. The sound. So what should I write?
T-H.
Very good. TH. Lakshaj. What is his number?
TH3.
3. So TH. The 3. TH. Kumara Guruparan. What is this bird's part which used for flying? What is that? Kumara Guruparan, what is the part of the bird used for flying? What is that? Wing. Ing. So what should I write there? Ing. NG.
And the
Okay. Jai Krish. What is this, Jai Krish? Morning you will do, no?
brush.
Shh. So what should I write? Shh sound.
Ish. 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 Ish.
SH.
Yes, head.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Next, Lekshita. What is this?
Ma'am.
Watch.
Name
Ch. So what should I write? Ch sound.
okay.
You are listening so long? Ch sound. CH. Next that done. Okay. Next Satvik. What is this fruit, Satvik? I'm showing no. What is this fruit? Cherry. So what? CH or SH? Cherry.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Okay, children. If you finish, please wait. Satvik, cherry. Cherry. CH. Okay. Shravan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shoe. Shoe. SH or CH? Shoe. SH or CH?
Yes, it's
Yes, SH. Don't have a doubt. Okay, say whatever you remember boldly. Yes, Saicharan. Beach. Beach. CH or SH? Beach. Ch. When you hear CH sound, is it CH or SH? Ch sound. CH, very good. Mahaswin. Ring, ing sound. So what you should write? Ing sound. Ing sound. SH is sh sound. Ing. Yanji, very good. Yanji you should write, okay? Okay, children. So we did 3 big worksheets today. Thank you so much. Class is over. See you tomorrow.
Ma'am, thank you.
Bye, Adya. Bye, Adya.